Welcome to 2025, where investing is no longer just a game for Wall Street elites. With the rise of user-friendly trading platforms, real-time data access, AI-driven research tools, and financial education at your fingertips, building wealth through the stock market is more accessible than ever. But while anyone can open a brokerage account and buy shares, not everyone knows where to invest to maximize growth. The truth is, not all investments are created equal, especially in an evolving financial landscape influenced by technology, inflation, global politics, and changing consumer behavior. So in this video, we will discuss Stock Market Secrets 5 investments to skyrocket your portfolio in 2025. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The stock market can seem overwhelming with thousands of stocks, ETFs, and sectors to choose from. But if you want to supercharge your portfolio in 2025, you need to know where the smart money is going, what trends are shaping the future, and which companies or sectors are poised to explode. In this guide, we'll uncover 5 investment areas with sky-high potential, backed by strategy, not speculation. These aren't get-rich-quick plays. They're research-backed sectors that offer long-term growth and significant upside. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. The trillion-dollar transformation. Artificial intelligence isn't just a trend. It's a revolution that's changing the way we live, work, and invest. In 2025, AI is being integrated into nearly every industry, from healthcare to finance, education to manufacturing. What was once speculative is now essential. And companies that are leading the AI charge are seeing explosive growth. Key players like NVIDIA, Microsoft, MSFT, and Alphabet, HEOGL, are pouring billions into AI research, infrastructure, and applications. NVIDIA, in particular, has become the backbone of AI development, thanks to its cutting-edge GPUs and dominance in data center computing. In the past year alone, its market cap surged past $3 trillion, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. But it's not just the giants. Smaller, specialized AI companies like C3 AI, SoundHound AI, Teso Yuan, or even Upstart, UPSTIP, are developing AI models that solve real-world problems. These companies may carry higher risk, but they also offer huge upside if they capture market share or get acquired. Investing in AI is like buying into electricity during the Industrial Revolution. It's not a matter of if it will grow. It's a matter of how fast. Consider adding AI-focused ETFs like Global X Robotics and AI ETF, BOTZ, or eShares Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, IRBO, to diversify within this booming sector. 2. Green energy and clean tech, powering the future. While oil may still dominate the energy world, green energy is the future, and it's gaining momentum faster than ever. In 2025, governments around the world are aggressively funding clean energy projects to meet climate targets and reduce dependence on fossil fuels. This is creating an unprecedented boom in renewable energy stocks. Solar energy companies like Enphase Energy, ENPH, and First Solar, XSLR, are seeing record demand for residential and commercial solar installations. Meanwhile, wind energy firms, hydrogen technology developers, and EV infrastructure companies are also seeing huge gains. NextEra Energy, NE, often called the Tesla of utilities, is one of the largest clean energy companies in the US, and it's rapidly expanding. Battery technology is another high-growth area. Companies like Albemarle, ALB, which supplies lithium for EVs, and QuantumScape, QS, which is developing solid-state batteries, are critical to powering the next generation of transportation and energy storage. If you're looking for a diversified play, consider ETFs like eShares Global Clean Energy ETF, ICLN, or Invesco Solar ETF, TAN. These funds give you exposure to dozens of clean energy innovators and reduce the risk of betting on a single company. The world is shifting towards sustainability, and investing in green tech now is like catching a tidal wave early. 3. Healthcare innovation, biotech, genomics, and digital health. The healthcare sector is undergoing a massive transformation in 2025, fueled by advances in biotech, genetic engineering, personalized medicine, and digital health technologies. This isn't just about treating diseases, it's about preventing them, detecting them early, and even editing the human genome to eliminate inherited conditions. Companies like CRISPR Therapeutics, CRSP, and Editas Medicine, EDIT, are pioneers in gene editing therapies that could potentially cure conditions like sickle cell anemia or muscular dystrophy. Meanwhile, firms like Intuitive Surgical, ISRG, are revolutionizing robotic-assisted surgeries, making procedures safer and more efficient. Another promising area is telehealth and wearable technology. Post-pandemic, companies like Teladoc Health, PDOC, and Dexcom, DXCM, have continued to grow as remote health monitoring becomes the norm. Wearable devices are tracking heart rate, glucose levels, sleep patterns, and more, allowing early intervention and reducing long-term healthcare costs. For a broader approach, biotech ETFs like ARK Genomic Revolution ETF, ARKG, or eShares Nasdaq Biotechnology ETF, IBB, offer curated exposure to high-potential health innovation companies. Healthcare is not just recession-proof, it's evolution-proof. With an aging population and rising demand for advanced care, this is a sector built for explosive and long-lasting growth. 4. Cybersecurity, the digital fortress of the 21st century. As the world becomes increasingly digital, the need for robust cybersecurity is at an all-time high. In 2025, businesses and governments are under constant threat from cyberattacks, ransomware, and data breaches. From protecting cloud data to securing smart cities, cybersecurity is no longer optional. It's essential. Companies like CrowdStrike, CRWD, and Palo Alto Networks (PNW) are leading the charge, providing endpoint protection, firewalls, and AI-driven threat detection. CrowdStrike's Falcon platform has become the gold standard in endpoint security, while Palo Alto continues to expand its global footprint with cutting-edge network security. Smaller firms like SentinelOne-S or Scalar-ZS are gaining traction by offering scalable cloud-native security solutions for remote workforces, a trend that's only growing. These companies are rapidly growing their client base and annual recurring revenue. For those who want diversified exposure, consider the ETFMG Prime Cybersecurity ETF, HACK, or the First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity ETF, CIBR. These funds give you access to top cybersecurity firms without the risk of individual stock volatility. The digital war is here, and cybersecurity companies are the arms dealers. As long as data exists, so will the need to protect it. That's a long-term bet worth making. 5. Emerging markets and global tech giants. While the U.S. market is packed with opportunity, savvy investors in 2025 are looking beyond borders for the next big win. Emerging markets like India, Southeast Asia, and parts of Africa are experiencing rapid digital and financial infrastructure growth, creating incredible opportunities for early investors. Take India, for example. With a population of over 1.4 billion and a booming middle class, the country is becoming a global tech powerhouse. Companies like Infosys, INFY, and Reliance Industries, Reliance NS, are expanding into everything from cloud computing to retail logistics. Meanwhile, Chinese tech companies like Alibaba, BABA, and Tencent, TCHY, though facing regulatory challenges, are still titans of e-commerce and digital finance. Southeast Asian firms like Sea Limited, Southeast are capturing millions of new users through mobile gaming, online shopping, and digital payments. Consider ETFs like the iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF EEM or Vanguard FTSE Emerging Markets ETF VITO to gain broad exposure to these high-growth economies. These regions may be volatile, but they offer higher growth potential than most developed markets. In a globally connected economy, ignoring emerging markets could mean missing the next tech boom. Key strategies for skyrocketing your portfolio in 2025. To truly maximize your investments this year, here are some tactical steps you can take. Diversify across sectors. Don't go all in on AI or biotech. Balance high-growth areas with stable dividend payers. Use dollar-cost averaging. Invest consistently each month regardless of market swings to smooth out entry prices. Reinvest dividends. Let your earnings compound by automatically reinvesting any dividends you receive. Stay informed, not reactive. Follow financial news, earnings reports, and macro trends, but avoid panic selling during volatility. Review and adjust quarterly. Rebalance your portfolio every 3 to 6 months based on performance and personal goals. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.